India today has an aspiring young population and presents at once the biggest economic opportunity as well as the most daunting challenge by way of human capital development. The population under 30 is about 750 million, yet with a college graduation rate of just 25%. At JanaMarga, we have developed an award winning patented virtual overlay technology for delivering a new platform for affordable learning for schools and colleges. This allows e-textbooks to be overlaid with collaborative learning content so students can learn from videos, slides, and testing right from inside the ebook viewer, coupled with a Moodle based service for delivering custom content from teacher. We introduced our IT certificate also at an APAC conference a year ago. Today, there is tremendous demand for IT skills. The World Economic Forum says LinkedIn predicts 150 million new technology jobs will be available in the next 5 years. 14 million jobs are open on LinkedIn right now. The IT certificate consists of 7 or 8 courses that ready students to become full stack programmers with experience in front end, back end, as well as data science, analytics, and AI/ML. Our courses rely on an NPTEL backend course, which can facilitate the student to take the corresponding NPTEL exam and gain credits from there. Or if a college is part of NEP 2020 and works with us, we can work with them in developing an exam that they have developed. Once students have some background, they are ready for our 7-course sequence: data structures with Java, data science with Python, front-end programming with Android, web applications with PHP and MySQL, back-end programming with Spring, NoSQL and Kafka, and AI/ML with Python. Here is a quick demonstration for IT certificate.
This is a IT certificate application, and you'll be seeing all the courses listed here. So now if the student selects any one course, for example, if he goes with data structures, he'll get to see all the main topics covered within that course. Okay, and on click of that, he'll be getting a breakup of all those topics as well as the subtopics. Okay, for example, now if he clicks on the graph, he'll be getting all the subtopics coming under graph. Okay, and if he goes with any one topic, say I'll go with this first one, what will happen is he'll be getting all the resources related to that topic. So resources in the sense, we have the textbook resource, we have the slides and the videos. Okay, so let me go over them one by one. So the first one over here is the textbook. Okay, so it will directly take you to that particular page number, okay, where the topic is. Similarly, from here he can go and visit slides. Okay, so he'll get the slides related to that topic that he has selected. And finally we have the videos. Okay,
this is what a graph is and what are the terms we are going to have. So graph is always represented by a 2 tuple, V and E typically. V is what we'll call the set of vertices.
So it will start playing the video with respect to that topic. Okay, and these videos are from the NPTEL channel, like we have mapped it into our application. Okay, and after going through all this theory, at the end the student can take an assessment to assess himself. Basically, this assessment will be a MCQ question based. Okay, so we have all the questions which are of MCQ type, and at the end we can submit the test.
Our IT program can be completed in as short a period as 12 months or a more staggered timeline of 16 months based on the student and his needs and interests. This readies them for entry into the IT workforce. We are looking to partner with both colleges and universities as well as large IT companies that are part of the IT industry to help train and ready students while also teaching them soft skills. India is ready to take the next step with NEP 2020, and we are extremely excited to launch a new platform. This new platform is a new type of MOOC. We call this Nalanda. Nalanda facilitates universities and colleges and even large governments and multinational companies a platform to build their own courses which can form the basis of credits for students and offer these as part of the Swayam model. When we look at MOOCs, They began with OER Commons and open courseware from MIT in the early part of this century. From this evolved Coursera and Udacity, and many universities offer study programs and even graduate degrees on these MOOCs. Project Nalanda will be our own MOOC from India and will allow India to build courses using our ancient fourfold learning tradition. Smriti for us represents the aspect of recorded videos freely and readily available in NPTEL and through other programs in YouTube. Grantha represents our own in-context collaborative learning ebooks. Shiksha is teacher-developed content and publicly available slides, tests, and additional learning through collaborative learning platforms like social media, like Slack, WhatsApp, and JnanaChat. Guru Shruti is the various modes of delivering live learning from a teacher for a teacher's voice is central to the learning process in our traditional system. Using this platform, colleges can build customized courses to suit their own needs, as well as for students who are strictly trying to gain credits through ABC. A variety of courses which make upskilling easier, and upskilling is the passport to fulfilling careers and a better livelihood. Here is a demonstration of our new generation MOOC, Nalanda.
Nalanda is a MOOC platform. This platform can be customized for institutions who want to have their own set of courses and branding. It acts as an LMS system integrated with a book viewer which maps the various content to the distinct topic. It is a multi-platform, which means it will work on web, Android and iOS devices. Once the institution or the tutor logs in, he'll be able to see all the courses that he has added here. He will also get an option to create his own courses and will be able to edit those courses. For a student, they will be able to see only the courses, whereas the institution or the tutor will be able to create the courses and edit the existing courses. The institution or the tutor can also import the courses that we already have and can build upon them. To proceed further, I'll go with the one of the course over here, that is IT certificate. Once the course is selected, they will get to see the drill down of all the main topics coming under that course. These topics can be considered as units, or some may consider them as weeks, like week 1, week 2, etc. These two can be added or edited by the institution or tutor. I have considered them as units, so I'll go with one of the unit here, that is data science with Python. Then he will see all the chapters in that unit. You can consider it as chapters or the topics that would be covered within a week. Now I select one of the chapter here, that is Introduction to Python for Data Science. And you will see all the subchapters or the subtopics coming under that. Okay? So this will be the last element in the hierarchy of the course. Okay. So once the student selects this, he'll be taken to the content screen. Okay, so let me select Introduction to Data Science here. So I'll be taken to the content screen. This screen has the notes describing or explaining that selected topic. These notes have to be provided by the institution or the tutor explaining the topic. Along with the notes, they can link the other resources like YouTube videos or textbook, etc., which will describe the notes even in more detail. So I'll go with the YouTube video resource first. When the student clicks on the YouTube video, they will get to see the videos uploaded by the institution or the tutor. They can even play the video. Okay. And it's not that only one video can be uploaded. They can add multiple videos which will be listed over here. Now I will go with the textbook resource. Okay, so this will open up the textbook which gives support to the notes by explaining even in more detail. You can also open that particular page number where the topic is within the book. Similarly, you can have other resources as well. Now coming to the adding of the resources, please remember that this option will be given to the institution or the tutor, wherein they will have to make the edit mode enabled and click on the resources. Okay. So I'll go with the YouTube resource, and it will give me an option to add the YouTube shortcode, and once I submit this, it will be added. Okay, so this video will be added to the topic. Okay, so once they do that, on the student side they will be able to see the video. Now when I have clicked the YouTube icon, I can see two videos here. Okay, this is the latest one that I have added. Okay, so like that it can go on. Okay, it can handle many videos. So similarly, there are other like you can upload other resources as well. So like you can upload slides, okay, textbook, YouTube that we have seen, and also you can upload the assessment test, you can upload the worksheet, the assignments, and also like you can schedule the lectures like in the calendar, like when you want to take the live lectures. So the idea behind this platform is to have your own course and content created and distributed to your students.
We have built additional platforms for schools also, which include Ramanujan for JEE and Sushruta for NEET, which are award-winning platforms, as well as our Infusion program that brings SAT and AP classes to high schoolers, as well as our recently launched programs for CUET, COMEDK, KSET, and other test preparation platforms.
So this is our Sushruta app, and what you get to see is you get to see all the subjects that are necessary for the NEET exam. Okay, that is physics, chemistry, and biology. Along with this, like we have sorted it year wise. For example, biology 1 will have the syllabus of the 11th standard, and biology 2 will have the syllabus of the 12th standard. Okay, as you know, for NEET exam, both the year syllabus is considered, that is 11th as well as the 12th. Okay, so now when I'll go with this biology 2. So what the student will see is they'll see the syllabus. Okay, so syllabus is the starting point for a student to navigate to any topic that is interested in. Okay, so for example, now if he goes with this unit 2, that is genetics and evolution, so what will happen is he'll get to see all these chapters coming under that unit. Okay, and if he selects any one chapter, he'll get to see all the sub-chapter topics over here. Okay, so if he selects any one topic here, for example, I'll go with transcription. So what will happen is all the resources related to that topic will be loaded. Okay, resources in the sense we have the textbook, we have the slides as well as videos. Okay, and also we have assessment, okay, which he can take at the end. So I'll go through one by one. So I'll first go with the textbook. Okay, so the textbook used here is the NCERT, and what will happen is it will directly take you to that particular page number where the topic is. Okay, so since I had selected transcription, it has taken me to that particular page number inside the textbook. Similarly, from here he can go and visit the slides. Okay, so for slides also, like he'll be taken to that particular slide number, okay, where that topic is. Actually, if you go to see, this is an entire slide deck, but it will directly take him to that particular slide number, for whichever topic that he has selected. And finally, we have the video content. So these videos are from the IIT PAL channel. Okay, and we have mapped them into our application. Okay, so since the current unit that I had selected was genetics and evolution, it's playing a video of that particular unit. After going through all this theory, what the student can do is he can take an assessment. Okay, so in Jnana assessment, what we have done is we have formed some questions, and those questions has to be answered in particular fixed time frame. Okay, basically it will be a time bound test and mostly consisting of MCQ questions. He can answer the questions here, and finally he can submit the test.